Hello, my dear students. This is Shahjalal Ahmed Pial, lecturer Finance and Banking, Milestone College. All are welcome in my virtual class. Today I will discuss about how to calculate rate of return or accounting rate of return. Let's go start. First, we wanted to know what is average rate of return. Dear student, look at the slide. Average rate of returns refers to the percentage rate of return that is expected on an investment, and average rate of return does not consider time value of money or cash flow, because average rate of return is a traditional method. So ARR works with net present value, net profit after tax. The method of average rate of return. There are two methods for calculating average rate of return. Number one, ARR on original investment. Second, ARR on average investment. Formula number one, ARR on our original investment. Here ARR equal average net profit after tax divided by initial investment into 100. Dear students, look at the formula number one. Under the initial investment, here the initial investment, but formula number two only change the initial investment. Here average investment or average initial investment. First one, when we calculate original investment, then we do not average initial investment, we only use initial investment. When we calculate average investment on ARR, then we calculate average investment. Here average profit after tax equal total profit after tax divided by number of year, and average investment equal initial investment minus salvage value divided by 2 plus salvage value plus working capital. Another formula for average investment equal initial investment plus salvage value divided by 2 plus working capital. Dear students, here is a note for you. If cash flow is given in the question, then net present value will come out only by subtracting depreciation. Dear students, you must mind it that when you see cash flow is given on the question, then we will deduct the depreciation value from the cash flow, and you will find the net present, the net profit after tax. That will be the treated to calculate ARR. Now we see a problem related ARR. Here is a question. Mr. Saim is thinking to invest in a project. The initial investment of the project is taka 2 lakhs. The project lifetime is 5 years and the cost of capital is 15%. profit before tax is given below. Number 1, 50,000. Number 2, 45,000. Number 3, 80,000. Number 4, 90,000. Number 5, 75,000. Here, another information: estimated salvage value of taka 20,000, tax rate is 50%, and additional working capital is taka 6,000. Dear students, look at the question here. Is given profit before tax. Profit before tax. So we must calculate profit after tax for ARR. Question: what do you mean by the working capital? Determine the average rate of return under original initial investment, and determine the average rate of return under average investment. Determine the average rate of return under average initial investment. And D, would you be profitable to invest in the project? Accept or reject decisions. So go to the solution. First, we have to calculate profit after tax and depreciation. Here, a profit before tax and depreciation given is in the question: first year taka 50,000, second year 45,000, third year 80,000, fourth year 90,000, and fifth year 75,000. Now we deduct the depreciation. We calculate the depreciation in this formula: initial investment minus salvage value divided by expected life. Initial investment taka 2 lakhs minus salvage value taka 20,000 divided by 5 is equal to 36,000. So 36,000 is the depreciation. We less 36,000 for all profit before tax. Then we will find profit before tax. Profit before tax, but after depreciation: 14,000, 9,000, 44,000, 54,000, 39,000. Then we will less the tax. Tax is the 50%. Here 50% tax. First year 7,000, second year 4,500, third year 22,000, fourth year 27,000, and fifth year 19,500 is the tax amount. And we deduct the tax amount from profit before tax. Then we will find profit after tax or net profit. First 7,000, second 4,500, third year 22,000, fourth year 27,000, and fifth year 19,500. Now we calculate ARR using original investment method. Original investment method equal equal average net profit after tax divided by initial investment into 100. Average net profit after tax, we must calculate average net profit after tax. Here, average net profit after tax equal total profit after tax divided by number of year. Here, profit after tax, we accumulate all 5 years profit. 7,000 plus 4,500 plus 22,000 plus 27,000 plus 19,500, and it equals to 8 lakhs, and divided by 5 years is will be taka 16,000 average net profit, and initial investment equal taka 2 lakhs. We putting the value on the formula, 16,000 divided by 2 lakhs into 100 equals to 8%. 8% is the ARR. Now we calculate ARR on the basis of average capital or average initial investment. Here the formula average investment equal initial investment minus salvage value divided by 2 plus SB plus WC. SB means salvage value and WC means working capital. Here average profit after tax equal total profit after tax divided by number of year, same to previous. So average investment equals to initial investment 2 lakhs minus salvage value 20,000 divided by 2 plus salvage value 20,000 plus working capital 6,000. It will be equal to 1 lakh and 16 thousands. Then the value putting on the formula. The students look at the formula here. Here dear students, look at the formula. Here 16,000 is the average net profit after tax and divided by average investment. Average investment we calculate here 1 lakh and 16,000. Then it will be 13.79%. Previous it was 8% and now it is 13.7%. Now we decide accept or reject the investment projects. Here the decisions. ARR greater than cost of capital, then it will be accepted. ARR less than cost of capital, it will be rejected. So the project should be rejected because the cost of capital in this project is 15% and ARR is 13.79%. So ARR is less than to cost of capital. So we must or should be rejected these projects. Dear students, thanks to all to stay with me and goodbye.